Next topic is the methods of absorption. Methods of absorption takes place by mainly the water absorption takes place by two methods, that is diffusion and osmosis. Now what is diffusion? It is the movement of the water molecules from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration. Region of high concentration is when the water molecules, they are more in number, and the diffusion which takes place, it is a passive transport. This passive transport is, by passive transport we mean that they don't use energy, it is taking place without the use of energy. Now osmosis is the movement of the water molecules, that is the solvent molecules, from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration. But in osmosis we require a semi permeable membrane. Now difference between osmosis and diffusion is that both the diffusion, similarity is that both the diffusion and the osmosis which takes place, it takes place from high concentration to low concentration. And whereas the difference is that in osmosis a semi-permeable membrane is required, which is not required in diffusion. So you must have noticed diffusion, you must have noticed that when you open a perfume bottle, you opened it in one corner of a room, but you can smell that fragrance from a distance, because the molecules where you have opened the bottle, they were in high concentration at that place, so the molecules from there move to the region of the lower concentration. So that takes place through diffusion. Similarly, you can try it with the ink in water. When you will put a drop of ink in water, you will see that it diffuses in the water, the molecules of the ink, and hence the if you have used red color ink, the whole water will turn red in color. Now this diagram is showing osmosis. In this we have shown this as a semi-permeable membrane. Now this semi-permeable membrane which is present in the root hairs, the cell membrane act as the semi-permeable membrane. These small molecules which are shown, these are the water molecules, and these bigger molecules are the sugar molecules. Now what will happen is, you will see that there is more concentration of water here. Now as there is more concentration of water, so these water molecules can pass through these pores which are present in the semi-permeable membrane. So here is high concentration of water molecules, high concentration of water, and here it is low concentration. So the water molecules will move from high concentration to the low concentration. Most of the water molecules will move from high concentration to the low concentration through this semi-permeable membrane, the pores which are present in the semi-permeable membrane. Only very few water molecules you will see moving in the opposite, in this direction. Otherwise most of the water molecules, they will move from high concentration to the low concentration. And the sugar molecules, being bigger in size, they will not pass through these pores, they cannot pass through these pores.